Hey, what's up, everybody? Thanks for watching Brenspeed TV. It's 3-valve Wednesday, and guess what today? Not a Mustang, 2010 Sport Trac 4.6 3-valve. We added the E4 Supercharger. We are going to watch a dyno pull. It's going to be awesome. I have Doug with me. Let's go check it out. All right, before we go down and take a look, let me tell you exactly what's going on. It's an Adrenaline. It's a 4.6 3-valve. This is called our Stryker Supercharger package. We use an E4 Supercharger along with a conversion that we do here in Indiana to fit it in the Sport Trac. This works on Explorers, it works on Mountaineers. It's super cool. We also installed a set of our Detroit rocker camshafts. Doug, come down and take a look. What do you get? So you get the intercooled E4 Supercharger. You get a competition cold air intake. We're using 41-pound fuel injectors. You get colder spark plugs. You get a fuel pump upgrade as well as the proper calibration. This truck is sick. We build a lot of these. And what's crazy is this one was just purchased, shipped in for this build. And we have another one in the shop right now that was literally just purchased, shipped here before he even got it for a build like this. But he wanted to get a built engine to go even more crazy. These are popular vehicles. Like I said, 2010, I think, the last year you could get them. But check out this dyno pull. All right, check out these numbers. So 93 octane, DynoJet, SAE, smoothing 5, 415 roll horsepower, peaking right around 67 RPM. Torque comes in 356, peaking at 4,600. Awesome. You know, this truck stock, we're probably looking at 250, 240 roll horsepower. So that's awesome. And you know, how cool is that? A tiny little pickup truck you could buy back then with a 4.6 3-valve, and we converted a Mustang Supercharger to fit. We do a lot of these. I'll put a link at the end. You can just click on to see some other Stryker videos. But that's all for today. Indiana, open that description. I'll put the details in there on a link. You can read about it. But that's all for today. Have a question, leave a comment. This is short, but I appreciate you watching.